Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate Google Gemini multimodal capabilities using text and images. So this will be a purely no-code demonstration. Here I will be demonstrating everything directly from Google Cloud Console using Vertex AI Studio and Vertex AI. Here I will be showcasing a simple example by using the multimodal inputs that will be a text file and image file. Before starting, you need to log in into the Google Cloud Console. If you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up and set up the billing information. I already have a created account. I will simply log in. Yeah, I'm already logged in. So next step is we need to create a project. So let me create a new project. You can give a project name here, and if you want, you can save the project ID. So you cannot change the project ID in the future. So let me create project. It will take a couple of seconds. Yeah, now project is created. Now next step is to go to the project dashboard. We are here and search for enable APIs and services. So we are here now. Now click on this button. So now search for Vertex AI API. So click here. Now click on this link. So hit the enable button. This will take a couple of seconds, so you need to wait. After that, you will be redirected to this window from where you can go to the Vertex AI Studio. So search for Vertex AI, click on Vertex AI. Now you are in Vertex AI Studio. Um, now now we can go to freeform. From freeform, you can change the model, change the region, and upload the files and provide the prompts. So for this one, we'll be providing just a prompt, just text prompts, and see what happens. So I have added the prompts here and hit the button. It's generating the response. Output says that we haven't supplied the image and text file. Let's upload the image and text file. So Mount Everest image and knowledge base text file. I'm uploading this one here. Let's see what inside the file. Let's open the image file. In image file, we can see the new height of the Mount Everest. And now let's open the text file. So in text file, we can see the world height of the Mount Everest. Now let's send this information to the model. So yeah, we are sending. Now see the model is responding as the correct height of the Mount Everest, world height and the new height. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.